Trying to do?
Feed them?
Hi. Well, remember, put them right up here. Put it right up here. Throw. Here, take some of this. Don't touch it, just put a little bit on the floor. I mean, go ahead. Put it right up there. Yeah. Watch. Okay, now move back.
Beauty!
Oh.
Tutus!
Bab, if you're standing there, ليه أخلي? No? You want to feed the birds too? Heli? Wow! That cute?
Okay.
Oh, do you want to put more? I don't think they eat beans, baby.
What do they eat?
Oh my god, that was a bee. Oh my god, that was a bee.
I have a tissue.
Yes, mommy just got scared. Tissue?
I want a napkin.
Yeah, here's a napkin. Thank you. Right.
Where's the whole potato?
Oh, look. They're right there. Don't be scared. Look, they're going to come eat. Aww. Don't be scared. Come sit down.
Oh, they were eating donuts.
Come sit down, Buna. They'll be afraid of you. You don't be afraid of them. Tattoo. Look, see?
You afraid of me?
Yeah. Tattoo. Come on, Hulk. Sit down. Let me see. Say cheese.
Where's the whole...
Look at me. No, look at me. Say cheese. Look. Put your head up. Rocco, say cheese.
Mommy, where's the whole tail?
I have no idea.